My job title is Head of Business Intelligence at the Intellectual Property Office. When I became co-chair of the Women's Network, I was asking about, what information do we have to inform our work and what initiative we should prioritise? There wasn't a huge amount of rich information that could inform our work. This tool is really simple. People just talk about it wasn't okay when something happened because it made me feel this way. And as a result, I didn't do something, or why didn't you address it at the time? Why are you addressing it in this way? That kind of thing. We've fed that information into some of the other networks and they've kind of inspired a lot of our initiatives or follow-on actions, a lot of our comms activity. In fact, a parents network has now been established off the back of some of the comments and then further work that we did. And now that's been adopted by the government departments as well. There are a couple of events that I was involved in where I spoke about my experience or some of my values, and it's had a really positive reaction in the organisation. People coming out and speaking about how they didn't know they felt that way, or they had never considered going for opportunities before, but because of me, they now will.